shit. Working on the weekend like usual.
Oh shit.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Roger got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, our house on Rosewood, this shit too blood.
Well, how else do you think a lot of people survive like that? Like this was a $1,600 job. That's why you got a lot of those Italian bars. You know what I mean? Yeah, extra.
Now the control iron.
Yeah, that's a better fucking iron.
Yeah, look at that.
See, exactly. Now you can see everything I'm going, you know what I mean? You see the hand actions. I'll zoom in a little bit.
So yo, this is Glad right here.
Zoom in a little bit.
Right here.
Zoom in a little bit so you get to like, you get only like, you know what I mean? So you get more of the car. Yeah. Yeah. Because you only want to see.
There you go. Give it hell.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold the spin. Hold it.
The spin is fine. It's held by the coil. That's it. That wasn't even pressed in at this point. That's crazy. That's it. Why don't I just take out the sway, man?
Why?
It's in my way, man.
So we're installing coils and control irons. All the mans are here. Costa's working at it. Vlad's chilling, drinking his water. And he's trying to open a trunk.
Want me to get a tire so you can stand up?
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Let's go. Ready?
Look at this one. There's a whole seal chilling right here.
It's missing a seal. That the other one's missing a seal.
No, this one is like, no, look. This one leaking the shit. This one is busted. It's pulling out, my bad.
There, another table.
This one's busted.
We're gonna plug, plug studio?
Yeah, plug detailing.
Or plug detailing?
Ready? Let's go.
Walk in that door. Pull up, you got Team Malacca setting up the coilovers. You got Big Boss right here.
You guys want to put his
You got Team Malacca putting in the coilovers.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, you missed it, bro.
You gotta see
Guys
this,
making
bro.
some
You gotta
horny
see this.
noises.
Yo, you're literally gonna cream for this, bro. I swear.
You say cream?
Jeez.
Everything goes in super easy.
All cheese?
Cheese and butter, boy.
Goes right. Voila.
3 Malaccas.
What the fuck? This guy's trying to say now he has room.
Buddy, the brake line's not in the way. What the fuck?
Alright, bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah, tell him, bro.
Let's go. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Just put it in the fucking hole,
Playing
bro.
doctor right now.
Yeah.
That's what happens. Let's get 2 dots.
Gravity.
That's why you guys need to subscribe to his channel so that he can start paying for his fucking data and shit.
Chill, chill, chill.
Yes. Fucking
And what?
wanker. Mike, are we gonna do this today or not? Fuck. Fuck me, you cut my hand, you fucking asshole.
What?
With the what is it? An 18? Is it an 18 on it?
I don't know, maybe.
It's a 13.
Where's the 18?
22.
18's over there somewhere.
They eat all this candy.
Oh my god, stop.
Oh my god, yo.
You're going crazy, man.
Come over there.
Yo, you don't have the 18?
No.
Yeah, you have to.
Oh no, I think I have it in my.
No.
Big cap. You been hiding the 18?
Fucking guy, yo. Yo, I found it, yo.
What an idiot.
Yeah, I don't know who had it.
Fucking watchety big having fingers out of the way. God damn it.
That's Malaka's team leader right there.
Hello, good day, okay? Yo, this small one goes on top of this?
Alright, so yo, we finished up this man's car. You know, man, you out here doing a dolphin dive.
Just trying to cut away from some brownies, man.